In the mid-1800s, typewriters and calculators started to become common. We've come a long way since then, and a lot has changed in the last 150 years. Thanks to the endless march of human ingenuity, we've created industries, we've designed technologies that make our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. From big things like travel and communications, to things that we just now take for granted like refrigeration. It's a great time to be alive. This is the most comfortable era in human history, with some key exceptions. The workplace. Not much has changed in the last century. Sure, our technologies are slicker, faster, more efficient. But even with the advent of the lightweight laptop, we're still bending to our machines and working on tables and chairs like we did in 1899, let alone 1999. And it's all rather surprising considering all the studies suggesting that sitting and slouching decreases productivity, inhibits creativity, and is just generally bad for our long-term health. Somehow, there has to be a better way. For the past 5 years, a team of successful serial entrepreneurs have set out to change the way we work, to redefine how we interact with our computers. With well over $1 million of angel investment and founder funding, our coalition of designers, engineers, and creatives have developed a dynamic workstation that caters to a growing number of high-intensity computer users. And after much trial and error and progressive prototypes, we are excited to share it. Introducing the Alt Workstation. It allows users to work in 4 key productivity positions. Whether you want to sit, stand, collaborate, or focus. Our patented technology provides continuous comfort while your computer seamlessly moves with you, all with the simple push of a button. For decades, sitting at work was standard. With AltWork, any position can be standard. You choose. We've adapted to our computers sitting and slouching for far too long. Isn't it time they adapt to us?
So why hasn't someone built a workstation like this before? Because it's really, really hard.
Enjoying the great outdoors means you're going to get sweaty and dirty, but when it comes to getting clean, nothing seems to do the trick. Baby wipes can't cut through the grime, and if we were to go the conventional route, we would have to lug around gallons of water for an outdoor cold shower. But lugging 40 pounds of water just for that seems ridiculous. So, we here at Geyser invented a better way to get clean, using less than a gallon of water. That's right, less than 1 gallon. That's 80% less water and weighs a mere 6 pounds, which is equivalent to a 6-pack of your favorite beverage. Skeptical? We thought so.
So we ran it through the ultimate test. Let's start with 5 gallons of mud. Mother Nature isn't the only one who sticks around. Let's also add 5 gallons of icky sunscreen. Why stop there? If you love camping at music festivals, then count on a splash of color.
Then say hello to the Geyser system. It's not a shower, it's better. It's the world's most portable and efficient system to wash yourself and your gear. Step 1, just add your gallon of water. Step 2, plug it into your car's DC outlet or a portable battery. Step 3, turn on the pump. Then open the valve, enjoy, and get your clean on. 1 gallon lasts up to 7 minutes for a refreshing body wash. The result?
No more squirming in your car, tent, or sleeping bag while wearing the grime from your last adventure.
It's designed with a user-friendly heating system. We bring the heat in as little as 15 to 35 minutes, but if you're really in a rush, scroll down below to learn how to get that down to 5 minutes. Scrub too hard? Don't worry, we thought of that too. Replacing a geyser scrub is as easy as texting a friend. Text the number on the tag, choose from a variety of colors, and it's on its way.
Not only does our patented technology provide a safe, easy, and refreshing shower, it also optimizes the use of our limited, precious water resources. Since we started our campaign, we've heard from hundreds of people facing extreme water stress situations. From depleted wells in India to water rationing in Rome. From firefighters in the driest corners of California to the homeless in the corners of our streets.
You've asked for our help, so here's our promise. When this campaign raises over $1 million, we'll pledge 5% of our resources to fight the water crisis faced by 2.3 billion people around the world. Hi, I'm Jonathan Ballesteros, the founder and CEO of Geyser. This idea occurred to me after 10 years of engineering advanced surgical instruments and while I was traveling through Australia. And since then, I brought together a team of talented individuals to help me bring this idea from Australia through a manufacturing center in Texas, tested in the Australian outback, and now we're ready to bring the Geyser system to you. You've seen how the Geyser system works. You've also seen how you can wash yourself or your gear with less than 1 gallon of water. So here's what I'm asking you to do. Scroll down and click on an offering on the right-hand side of your screen and be one of the first to own a Geyser system at a significant discount. Not only are you getting a Geyser system, but you're also supporting a technology that's going to change the way we manage situations where water resources are really limited. In the meantime, we made it super easy for you to get clean. So get outside, redefine your adventure, and conquer dirty.
Introducing the Power Dolphin. PowerVision's forward-thinking design team have created a one-of-a-kind streamlined appearance. Power Dolphin has improved the fish finder system. Comes with a newly designed fishing bait container that can accurately release bait. With Power Dolphin, you have a new way to fish by dragging your line behind you instead of your traditional fishing rod, allowing you to tow back catches from the safety of the shoreline or your own boat. It has a 132-degree wide-angle lens, equipped with a headlamp and 4 levels of brightness. You can preview and record fishing via the front camera. Power Dolphin is not only useful for fishing, but also a marine search and rescue. It has 3 different speed levels. Life jackets and other life-saving devices to be delivered safely and released via the remote control function. It can be operated with the included controller for your very own smartphone. Both of these formats have one-touch return to home built in. Power Dolphin's smart sonar system can be used to generate a topographic map of the most complex underwater environments, including the ocean floor. It comes with an interchangeable battery and a micro SD card. It has a running time of approximately 2 hours. Power Dolphin can reach speeds of up to 16 feet per second. It is equipped with a unique dual-joint rotating camera, allowing users to see above and below the water surface, with a 215-degree wide viewing angle. The 12 megapixel camera shoots at 4K 30 frames per second with real-time streaming at 1080p HD. So you can better see what's above and below you. Whether you're fishing, surfing, exploring or rescuing, Power Dolphin is another leap forward in the world of remote-controlled marine vehicles.